Hi, I'm Audrey, the host of My Tar Heel Adventures. Every Friday, we visit a new town in North Carolina to give you an inside peek at our beautiful state. Today, we're in Fayetteville. We'll be hanging out in the downtown, checking out some public art, and learning about some community events. So stay tuned for an all-new My Tar Heel Adventures. This episode is brought to you by Gator Metal Roofing, official partner of the Carolina Hurricanes. Hi guys, we're here speaking with Miss Robin Pitt, who is the Marketing and Communications Director of the Fayetteville Area Chamber of Commerce. How are you doing today?
I'm doing so well. I'm happy to be here.
I am too. Thank you so much for taking the time to do this.
Thank you for having me.
Can you tell us a little bit about the Chamber of Commerce?
I certainly can. That is my love right now. So I am the Marketing and Communications Director, as she said. I handle most of everything that goes out to the city. There's so many exciting opportunities that the Chamber has to offer to businesses as well as citizens who might not have their own business yet. So whether you're a big business or an entrepreneur, you can come to us and get promotion, you get advocacy, really any resource that you may need to start a business or learn about a business. We have such a diverse range of resources available, whether you are just getting started, whether you're looking for somebody to come to your event, such as a caterer, musicians, you name it, we probably have it. And so if you ever reach out to us, we have anything that you may need.
So it sounds like you guys are not only a resource for, citizens here in Fayetteville, but also a connector.
So we are actually super connected here in Fayetteville. We have the Military Affairs Council, which has the Fort Bragg Garrison Commander on our board. So even when he has a turnover, we still have them on our side. We also have the Government Relations Committee, and they cover all the happenings of government involvement in the state of North Carolina. It's pretty exciting. Young Leadership Committee is adjourned for now, but it is reinstating soon. So if that is something people are interested in being involved, whether you're a millennial or Gen Z, we have that opportunity available too.
So Robin, can you tell us about some of your upcoming events or some of your more popular events?
Our organization typically has 4 monthly reoccurring events. So on the first Tuesday, we have Business Networking Breakfast. On the third Thursday, we have our Chairwoman's Coffee Club or Chairperson. And we also have Build Your Influence, which is a marketing-based event that actually happens right behind our camera person. So it all is very local and it all is open to the community. Even if you are not a member yet, we can get you in as a prospective member and you can really see what the Chamber has to offer to you. We also have 858 current businesses. That does not involve individuals who are attached to those businesses who offer their individual resources. That is just overall companies, big and small, who join us here in the community. And it is so exciting to know that we're currently growing. It never stops, really.
Yeah, that's exciting.
We also have an ambassador program, and the ambassador program is open, like I said, to all individuals who are interested in being more involved in Fayetteville. We do ribbon cuttings, and during these ribbon cuttings, it could be for a grand opening, it could be for any momentous occasion for a business in the community. And the ambassadors get to come to that as well as all our other events and advertise their businesses, as well as just get to know everybody here in Fayetteville. We're talking the mayor, we're talking county officials, we're talking state officials, so we are super involved here in North Carolina. If you would like to contact us, you can reach out to me. Again, my name is Robin Pitt, with my email being rpitt@faybiz.com. Our number is 910-483-8133. Our website, faybiz.com, FAYBIZ.com. If you would like to follow us on social media, you can go to Greater Fayetteville Chamber, Instagram, Facebook, and soon to be Twitter.
All right, thank you so much, Robin.
Yes, thank you. It was great.
Hi guys, we're here with Miss Bianca Schoeneman from Downtown Fayetteville. How are you doing today?
Audrey, I'm doing fantastic. Happy holidays.
Happy holidays.
Yeah.
I'm super excited to be here. Can you tell us a little bit about Downtown Fayetteville?
So downtown Fayetteville is home to our city's arts and entertainment district, the Cool Spring Downtown District. And this year in downtown Fayetteville, we have really amplified our holiday decor.
Ooh.
As you can see, we have this Carolina fir Christmas tree. We've taken her from 18 feet to 22 feet this year, so she just gets bigger and brighter each holiday season. We've added new holiday bows, new Christmas wreaths, and we have some additional illuminated displays throughout the downtown district.
The decorations are beautiful. You
Thank
guys are
you.
doing a great job.
Thank you. We also have this large format public art exhibit called Mi Casa, Your Casa 2.0. It's a series of 8 tiny houses that have an LED band right at the bottom. And when you walk by them, the LED band lights up, beckoning you to come sit inside the swing and take a swing.
Okay.
So what we want to do is we want to invite your viewers to come to downtown Fayetteville this holiday season and come swing with us. You know, the art installation is a reminder of how hospitable the city of Fayetteville is, and it's just a great opportunity to enjoy where you live, work, eat, shop, and play.
So Bianca, what's coming up in downtown Fayetteville?
So we have some fabulous things happening in downtown Fayetteville. Not only is it a wonderful place to eat and shop during the holiday season, you know, keeping it local is very important to support your local economy, but also we have some good events. For example, on Saturday night, we have a trolley that we own and we run as a free circulator. And we have completely Griswold this trolley out. And so she's decked out with tacky Christmas decorations. And we've hired an elf. She's a naughty elf though.
Oh.
Yes, coming from the North Pole, and she's gonna be doing a comedy trolley tour. So you can find tickets at visitdowntownfayetteville.com.
That sounds so fun. I'll be sure to check it out.
And then on New Year's Eve in downtown Fayetteville, we have a big event. It's called the Night Circus, and at Festival Park in our central business district, we'll have Tony playing, Starlift at midnight, stilt walkers, magicians, roving artists. It is a good time, so if you're looking for a way to celebrate New Year's Eve, come to downtown Fayetteville.
We sure will. So where can we find you online?
Yeah, so our website is visitdowntownfayetteville.com, and we're across all the social media platforms, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, using the Downtown Faye NC handle.
All right, we'll be sure to give you a follow. Thank you so much, Bianca.
Yeah, of course. Thanks for having me, Audrey.
Now a quick message from our sponsor, Gator Metal Roofing.
Attention homeowners, want to be the envy of your neighborhood? Simple. Put an energy-efficient Gator metal roof on your home that will save you money on your cooling and heating bills. Not only will you be the neighborhood envy, but you could potentially cut your energy costs by 40%. And if you call now, you could qualify for 0% financing with payments as low as $99 per month. What are you waiting for? Get off your asphalt and call Gator Metal Roofing right now.
Hi guys, we're here speaking with Antonio Renteria from the Arts Council here in Fayetteville. How are you doing today?
I'm having a good day. It's nice and crisp and chilly.
I know, right? I love it. So can you tell us a little bit about the Arts Council?
Absolutely. So Arts Council, our building, we're located here at 301 Hay Street in downtown Fayetteville. Our mission is to just showcase artistic creativity, economic vitality through the arts, and just kind of really just give artists a chance to just create, explore, and just do wonderful things for the community.
Do you guys have any upcoming events?
Yeah, so we just finished up our fall festival. So we did Holidays on Hay, we did a drone show in the sky, we had arts and crafts down the streets and all that. So we're just kind of concluding that. But one of the best things to kind of check out this time of year is our public art that's on the streets. It gives a chance for people to kind of come downtown, do that last minute holiday shopping, and just see some beautiful art.
What are some of your more popular public art pieces?
Yeah, so we've got a whole art installation. We've got probably about 13 or so pieces in downtown. We've got a couple permanent pieces around town too.
Cool.
One of my favorite pieces is Hoodoo's. It's right over there on the corner. Its bottom is a Core-10 steel base, and it's got this kind of resin sculpture on top. It's blue, and like one of the really cool things about art is like that aspect of you never know what you're looking at.
Yeah.
Right, so some people might look at it from an angle, it's like, oh, it's two sisters. You might look at it from another one, it's like, oh, it's someone just splashed in a puddle and it's popping up. So it's kind of cool to see that.
I have to see that.
For sure. And then there's also other pieces right next to our building. We've got Saturnian, which kind of looks like a Saturn kind of on a tilt. We've got some granite benches and some that like kids can play in too. That's really fun. We've got Creepy Crawly, which is this kind of spider looking one that it's over by the school, and all the time you'll see kids that are jumping in and taking photos and stuff like that. It's really neat. Public art is just, it's one of those things where like, you can just experience it as you go by. You don't have to like pay to see it. You can just kind of be on your journey and just kind of encounter it, you know?
Yeah, and I feel like people love it. It sparks questions and feelings.
Absolutely. Questions, feelings. I mean, you can see like the joy from kids seeing it, or like adults that are standing there and like, oh, look at the structure of this, you know? So you get like the best of both worlds really, which is fun.
Any plans for new installations?
Yeah, absolutely. So we're going to start off the new year with a brand new exhibit. It's from Andrew Brooks. He's a local artist. We're going to have him and a collective of other artists inside the building with a bunch of different mediums. We'll have some paintings, we'll have some spray art, we'll have some mixed media and sculptures. And we're starting our call for our new public art series in January as well. So that'll kick off in like May, but we're starting to kind of take it. And that's always a fun process because we get like 300 pieces submitted from artists all across the country, and we got to kind of track it down and bring it together.
Wow, incredible. So Antonio, where can we find you online?
So the best place to find all things about the Arts Council is wearethearts.com. So wearethearts.com, it's a great chance to check out all of our local exhibits that we've got, upcoming festivals like the International Folk Festival in September, our holiday festivals. We're really big into grants. We do a lot working with local organizations and art organizations, so you'll find all the grant guidelines there. You can also check us out for the more, like I said, grant stuff on theartscouncil.com, but all the fun stuff, art stuff, We Are the Arts.
All right, and are you guys on social media?
We are. We're on Facebook, we've got Insta, we've got TikTok, so check us out on all of them. And again, We Are the Arts. Come check us out.
We sure will. Thank you so much.
Absolutely, my pleasure.
Thanks for watching the video. Be sure to hit the like and subscribe button and turn on those bell notifications to keep up with all of our adventures. Now I'd like to thank Gator Metal Roofing for sponsoring today's video. Let's check in with a recent customer to see how their experience was. Hi guys, Audrey and Al here with Mr. and Mrs. Smith. So first things first, what is the color of your roof?
The roof is black, and the reason why I choose that color is because I got a couple other barns that got black roofs, and I wanted the house roof to match that.
Sounds good. It looks very beautiful and very shiny. And have you noticed anything as far as like energy efficiency or with your energy bill?
It's a little bit lower, yeah, it is.
So your energy bill is lower since getting your Gator Metal roof?
Yes, definitely.
And with that being said, would you recommend Gator Metal Roofing to any of your friends and family?
Oh yes, oh yes, it'll last. It's real nice. We could have went with someone else, but we went with Gator.
All right, well thank you so much for taking the time and letting us come and check out your Gator Metal roof. Thank you so much, Mr. Smith.